welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a natural back to school makeup look. Since it is back to school season, I figured this would be the perfect time to film this video. And I know a lot of schools don't allow you to wear a lot of makeup. I know definitely when I was going to school, my parents didn't really want me to wear makeup, and your parents may be like that too. So this is just like a natural looking makeup that doesn't look like too much for school. So before we get into today's video, if you guys could go down below and hit that subscribe button, that would help me out a lot. And yeah, let's just get into the video.
Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer and just moisturize my face with that. And I really like this moisturizer because it does have salicylic acid in it, which helps with acne. Next up, I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and just prime my skin with that. And I really like this one because it's quick and easy and on the go. You could just spray it all over your face. Now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the shade 210, and I'm just going to put that all over my skin. And I know one side of my face does look a little bit white. That's because I was trying out foundation shades and the other shade didn't match me, so I ended up using this foundation. And I really like it because it's not too heavy and it's definitely buildable. And I did try to keep this back to school makeup look with mostly drugstore products. I try to keep it affordable for you guys because I know everybody cannot go out and spend like $40 on a eyeshadow. So I try to keep it drugstore. Not everything's drugstore, but mostly everything is. So next up, I'm going in with my Tarte Shapetape Concealer, and I really do love this concealer. I have not found a better concealer than this concealer, and I'm just putting that in a triangular motion underneath my eyes and then just blending it out. Now I'm going with my Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just putting that everywhere I put the concealer and above my top lip because I feel like that area always disappears throughout the day. I feel like the foundation always comes off, especially when I eat and stuff like that. So I just put that there so it stays on all day. And a dupe for this is the Airspun powder. I know a lot of people really like that. I just think it leaves like a white cast sometimes. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Total Temptation eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows with that. And I really do like this product. It does not slip off during the day, and I wore this makeup for about 14 hours and my brows did not come off during the day, so I really like that about this product. Now I'm going to clean up my brows using the MAC concealer that I'm sure you guys have seen like 100 times on my channel by now. I just really like this concealer to just clean up the brows and make them look a little bit more defined. But honestly, you could use any concealer. This is just my preference. So now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm just going to take that shade Sweet Tea and just put that in my crease. And this is actually my first time using this palette, but for a drugstore palette, this worked really well. Now to deepen the crease a little bit more, I'm going to take Sweet Tea and Old Fashioned and just put that right in my crease to give it a more defined look. Now I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just put that and just bronze my face in sort of a 3 motion. So I'm going to go on my forehead and bring it down to my cheek and then bring it down to my jawline. Nothing too serious, just a little bit of bronze. Now I'm going to take the Milani Luminoso Baked Blush and just apply that on my cheeks and just to bring back a really healthy glow to the skin. Now I'm going to take my favorite mascara from the drugstore, Maybelline the Rocket Mascara, and just wiggle it onto my lashes to give a more volumized look. And I'm not going to put on lashes for this look. I usually don't wear lashes because my lashes are pretty long naturally, and I don't like using lashes for like every day. So you could just see the difference the mascara made. And I got some mascara on my lid, and I'm just cleaning that up with a Q-tip and then putting the crease shade back in my crease just to bring back some color. Now I'm going my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I love this highlight. I think this is one of the best drugstore highlighters, and I'm just putting that all over my cheeks. And you could definitely skip this step if you don't like a lot of highlighter, or you could just put a little bit on just to give a nice glow. But I really do love highlighter, so I'm going to put it all over my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose. And you can see here what a beautiful glow this gives to the skin. Now I'm going to take the MAC Blot powder and just put that all over my skin, especially where I don't want to be oily, because that helps mattify the skin and keep the shine away all day. So now I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Cappuccino, and I just really like to line my lips always. And even if I'm putting a gloss I line my lips, it just looks more defined, but you can definitely skip this step if you want to. So now I'm going to take the NYX Pump It Up Lip Plumper in the shade Jessica, and I just feel like this really makes the lips pop and look really juicy and healthy. Now I'm going to take this Milani Make It Last setting spray, and this setting spray really does work, and it's from the drugstore, so it's affordable. And I had my makeup on for 14 hours that day, and it lasted all day, so I'm really happy about that. And yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That will help me out a lot, and see you guys next time in my next video.